It's been a busy year at JW, building, selling and renting cartoners. The company has recently moved into a brand new purpose-built factory with state-of-the-art facilities. This has allowed us space to expand in all areas, including the machine shop. This year's highlights include feeding leaflets automatically whilst manually feeding products, automatically loading products in layers, feeding, singulating and counting tea pyramids directly into cartons, using a robot to load sachets into the box, loading vials into cartons with print and code verification, cartoning shrink-packed vegan products and then collating and display packing them, erecting crash lock as well as tuck or glue cartons, tray cartoning into windowed cartons. We have fitted the CCM-MV cartoner with 2 manual loading stations to offer even more flexibility, adding a fast chute to really maximise output, counting filters into cartons with winged flaps. Have you seen something that interests you? If so, talk to us or visit us at Interpack and at the PPMA show later this year.